Hey, I'm Alex, founder of Mizu Towel. I would like to introduce you to the smartest, softest, and most durable towel ever made. Mizu combines world-famous Xinjiang cotton with pure silver to naturally eliminate bacterial growth, thus eliminating that musty towel smell once and for all. This works because silver naturally carries a positive charge. Upon contact with bacteria, silver strips an electron from the bacteria's membrane, preventing its reproduction and destroying it. But what about other non-bacterial contaminants that can be harmful to your skin and your health? Well, if you're like me, you'll do anything to stop from getting sick. What most people don't realize, however, is that towels can get dangerously contaminated. When we shower, clean our faces, or wipe our hands, oil, sweat, and residual soaps contaminate our towels. And they don't get removed unless it's washed. Meanwhile, your towel gets laced with more and more contaminants. We don't see this happening because microstains cannot be seen with the naked eye. In response, we created Mizu, a smart, self-cleaning towel with contaminant detecting technology. When Mizu's sensing areas get contaminated by oils, sweat, residual soaps, or bacterial metabolites, the color changes from blue to red to remind you when the towel needs to be cleaned. The color change is due to a special dye made from a unique blend of natural plant extracts. Mizu is made off the back of quality components. Xinjiang cotton has excellent water absorbency while still remaining light and airy. Each of these towels also has a twisted yarn weave, which minimizes dry time, promotes the circulation of oxygen, and also remains ultra soft and comfortable. Mizu is Japanese for water, and water is very important in the creation of a towel. Imabari, Japan is the towel-making capital of the world, and their secret to success is metal-free soft water. We use the same soft water in our production process to give Mizu a luxurious softness and luscious absorbency. Mizu is also easy to clean. Just place it into your regular wash. The color will reset back to blue, and the cotton quality will unlock and get softer over time. Lastly, we have a message to the Kickstarter community that is tired of being let down by project creators. Mizu's prototype was loved by thousands of our trusting backers at the beginning of this year back in Asia. Unlike many crowdfunding campaigns, we're prepared to fulfill our backers' orders mere weeks after completion of the campaign. That's because Mizu Towel is a completed, real product that we have painstakingly concept tested, prototyped, and perfected for your homes and families. Your pledge as a backer will be used to secure our first minimum order quantity of Mizu towels. Back us today on Kickstarter and get your hands on the world's first self-cleaning and contaminant detecting towel at an unbeatable price that we will not be able to offer in the future. Thank you.